Do you remember that lion who was not satisfied with his haircut? Yes, it's the lion who repaired his hair into the shape of an umbrella. Yesterday, he met another starfruit hairdresser. It's said that the starfruit hairdresser traveled to the Earth from outer space. What the starfruit hairdresser is good at is to repair all of his hair into the shape of a star with scissors. It's said that this star hairstyle is most popular on the planet Starfruit. Let's enjoy the lion's new hairstyle. How about the lion's new hairstyle? Is it cool? Do you want a star haircut too? I can make an appointment for you.